Now we've created an assembly using three individual parts, and then we took that assembly and created a exploded view in a presentation file. And in the previous video, we animated these uh, these pieces here to show how they fit together. And so now in this tutorial, what we're going to do is create a drawing file using this exploded view here. So let's go ahead and start a new file. And this time we're going to go down to the ANSI millimeter drawing file. Make sure you're in the metric folder. ANSI millimeter.idw for drawing. Create. And if you've been through the drawing file tutorial already, this should look very familiar. So how do we import um, files into this template here? Go to base and select the folder here. And so you'll have to look. One thing you want to make sure is that this files of type thing is set to inventor files. Okay. By default, it's usually set to assembly or maybe even part files, but make sure this is set to inventor files so you can see, so it pulls up all of them. And then look for the block assembly presentation file, and you'll notice it by this extension, or excuse me, by this icon here. Or if you look at type, under type, it should say presentation. Okay. And then also when you select it, you'll see a preview of it. And so it should be in this exploded view here. So go ahead and click open. And so now in our presentation file, let's go back, and I can go back down here. Mine is still open. I set this as the front, which, makes this the top part. So when I'm in this drawing file, when I select ISO top right, this is the view that I'm going to get. If you have your view cube oriented differently, then ISO top right is going to look different for you. But the purpose of this video, this tutorial here, is just to get you, just to show you how to import a presentation file into a drawing. All right. So I'm going to use ISO top right, and this is a little small. So the scale, let's see, what does 2:1 look? Still a little small. Let's try 3:1. All right, that's decent. Okay. And so I want the hidden lines removed, and then I want this thing to be shaded. Okay, so make sure hidden lines removed and shaded is selected. And then we come over here and then left click and then right click to click OK. And so here's the view that I get here. Okay. All right, and so in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to add some assembly numbers to this, and we'll show you how to create a bill of materials so that way when you have multiple parts in your drawing, that the viewer will know what those parts are called and and other information that they may need.